Today I wanted to talk to you about me saying it's no longer my time. Because for some reason, people would get upset whenever I say that. Don't panic. Don't be upset. It's not a bad thing. I'm just being realistic. Because it's true. It's no longer my time. That means I can no longer compete with the young ones. Come on, I'm 54 years old. I have been in the industry for almost 40 years. And I have been singing all my life. And the truth is, even if I still can compete, I really don't want to anymore. Galing akong singing contest, and half my career, feeling ko kailangan ko mag-compete. Kasi sinastablish ko yung sarili ko. I don't want to do that anymore. Sa ngayon, ini-enjoy ko yung life ko. Ini-enjoy ko yung respect na nakukuha ko from my peers. Hindi mo basta-basta nakukuha yun na. It's not just given to you for no apparent reason. You earn that. And I love that I inspire other artists. Really, I consider myself as a mentor now. I love mentoring new artists. That's why pagka tinatanong nila ako kung pwede ako mag-guest sa concert nila, I'm there. Kasi gusto ko rin bigyan sila ng mga pointers. Kasi nagtatanong din naman sila. At minsan kahit hindi nga sila nagtatanong, binibigay ko pa rin unsolicited advice. But kasi feeling ko yung mga na-experience ko for 40 years, dadalhin ko lang yun sa hukay. So parang sayang naman yung mga experiences na at yung mga learnings na nakuha ko all throughout the 40 years. Kung ibabaon ko lang yun sa lupa. So I thought it would be good to share it. Yung knowledge na accumulate ko through the years. And it's a good thing. And I love that. And they listen to me. And that's wonderful.